Not worried about my Tottenham career. I'm worried about Tottenham and about the players, and it was very, very important. 11 months without music in the away dressing room, without a smile, without happiness, and they did it. And I'm very happy with them. I'm very happy for them. I think if somebody didn't watch the game and just know the result, I think that was very, very difficult for us to win. But I think the feeling is that we were closer to the 4-0 than West Ham was to the 3-1. I think physically the team had a break, and probably also a little bit scared of that mental barrier of the bad results away. So the last 20-25 minutes was not easy, but I think we played very, very well for about an hour, really, really well, and I'm very happy for the boys.